Hey, what's going on, guys? Rugrat C6 back. It's been a little while. Been working like crazy, so I was trying to do another vlog and get some updates on the car. Not a whole lot has changed. I've been doing a lot of work, like I said. Lots of little things, upkeep and stuff. Did an oil change recently. Biggest things recently is that I got the Holley Pro Dash mounted. I had to drop the steering column and install some screws upside down to Motion Raceworks mount for the Holley EFI Pro Dash. Still gotta run the wires and everything for the GPS and the power and all that stuff. I gotta do some termination on the fuse block over there on the other side. But yeah, I haven't been doing a whole lot. Just wanted to film an update video, and I'm gonna go tonight to film some B-roll, A-roll, whatever you want to call it, because this car's gonna be down for about the next week or so in preparation for the new exhaust coming. I'm super pumped about that. It's gonna sound wicked. If you know Adam LZ, the company that he just worked with, we're gonna be using that same company, and we're gonna be using obviously their full C6 system on this car. It's gonna wake it up a little bit more, and it's gonna sound amazing. So really excited about that. I'm gonna try to do a time lapse. This is a brand new camera, DJI Action 4. I was using my iPhone before. So I'm going to try to do like a time lapse on this. I'm going to run some cables for the Pro Dash, and then, yeah, I don't really want to stay out here too long. It is 100 degrees out here right now. I live out in the desert of California, so we do a lot of our stuff after dark because it's so dark, or so hot. But yeah, we're going to get busy, and yeah, hopefully you guys can get a good B-roll on this. I'm going to go take some videos tonight, some rolling footage. I got my GoPro set up right there for the front view. I'm thinking about getting my camera that I'm using currently, this little mount right here. I'm thinking about putting this right here maybe for like a back mount, but the flag might be in the way. Maybe even like right here above this, but there's a little thing there, so I can't, it kind of teeters, but I don't know. Leave in the comments below what do you guys want to see, because I want to get a couple different POVs or angles in this car. I think getting the rear shot with the suspension and everything working, because you can see everything obviously in exo car life, but I want to get like a cool video. It's too big for that. This might work, but then that's gonna be right in the way. I don't know. I'm thinking of a couple different things, but if I start wearing a helmet, I can get like a POV of that. But yeah, I'm gonna get a couple different ones. You guys can see a couple different angles and stuff like that. So yeah, thanks for joining. If you like the car, I'm gonna start posting some more. I got a couple good YouTube video ideas coming up. I'm not working as much right now. I was working like crazy the last couple weeks, so hopefully start posting some more vlogs. Hell yeah. Go for a little POV drive to my sunset location. Get some exhaust clips. And yeah. Fun. out here, I'm gonna get some exhaust clips because the exhaust is changing this week. So might as well get some exhaust clips, right? Hot start. Pretty good. All right, now I'm gonna set up for time lapse. Well, just got some sunset photos, as you guys will see. Sunset. What the hell? That's why I went with DJI, because GoPros be pissing me off. GoPros be pissing me off, dog. Don't lose the stick. Come on, sweetheart. Alright. Still got oil pressure after I just did a 6,000 RPM exhaust clip. So, that's good. There's no oil pouring out of the bottom of it, so that's a win.
One hole, good sir.